What do you do when it's time to upgrade your 5-star Editor's Choice Award-winning laptop design? You look inside. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 14, and it's time to take a look inside. Okay, so the design has changed externally. We'll get to that in a moment. But what's changed internally with this new update? First, we've got the move to Intel Core Ultra Panther Lake processors, which are set to release in 2026. That also allows the laptop to be upgraded to up to 64 gigabytes of memory instead of the 32 gigabyte cap from the previous generation, and up to 2 terabytes of M.2 storage. Okay, so we know what's inside the laptop, but how about the screen? Luckily here, Lenovo didn't really change anything. We've got a 2.8K or 1800p OLED panel at 14 inches. It's a gorgeous display that didn't really need any updating. Okay, so we know that you're going to likely be in a lot of video meetings with a laptop like this, so what's going on there? Here for connectivity, we've got the latest standard in Wi-Fi 7, and in terms of your webcam, you're looking at an 8 megapixel infrared sensor, so you've got a great image, and then also all of the Windows Hello biometric login features. All right, so you know all about the speeds and feeds, the spec sheets, all that good stuff that everyone loves in a laptop, but let's take a look deeper inside this machine to take a look at Lenovo's new space frame design and see what's going on in there. Let's talk about the real internal updates. We're looking at a brand new chassis design, completely internally. One of the most important parts of this design is that they've taken as much as they could from the main board that would go in any other laptop and integrate it into the frame of the chassis. So here, it's most notable here with the USB headers that are what are inside of the ports you put your devices into. This one here is an SD card reader, but these other ones here are USB, and this makes it much easier for end users and fleet managers to either upgrade or replace these parts. So as you can see, the top of the system pops off without any need for screws. It's purely magnets, and it pops right back on seamlessly. Now, here's the other half of Lenovo's design, is that the base plate also is part of the space frame. Now, normally these would be screwed in, but for demonstration purposes, we can just pop it right off. The screws are very simple to unscrew, and they stay on the plate. Here you have access to your fans, your cooling fans. Here's the CPU block underneath. And you also have a removable battery. Now you can't hot swap the battery, of course, but at least you have removable ones for repairs and upgrades to capacity. The idea here is that Lenovo's trying to get as close to a modular laptop experience as they can. If you're familiar with the framework laptops, that's exactly what they seem to be going for here. However, they're stopping short of replacing things as an end user with modules and things like that. You will, at some point, need some help from an IT professional as you get deeper and deeper into the upgrades. But there will be several of these internal upgrades that end users could do in a blink of an eye. Okay, so once you're done fiddling around with the parts down here, of course you have your SSD upgrade over here. You would place the battery back in. Obviously, you would screw it in, but for demonstration purposes here, we're just placing it on top. And you take your base plate. You want to line it up here. And then it magnetically attaches, and you would just screw it in. All right, folks, this was the new modular, repairable, upgradable Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 14. For more on this laptop and all the other laptops at CES 2026, check out PCMag.com.